Hello and welcome to Mission 4, Lesson 5. Our student objective for this lesson is to use a circular protractor to understand a 1-degree angle as 1/360th of a turn. Explore benchmark angles using the protractor. So as you can see, we're going to be dealing with some angles here and measuring and using different tools to do that, such as a protractor. The best way to do this is going to be to go through the Tower of Power together. So that's what we are going to do in this video. Let's get to it. All right, our first question on the Tower of Power, it says, how many degrees are 3/4 turns? Okay, so a circle, you need to know this. A circle altogether is 360 degrees. If you measured every angle altogether, a circle is 360 degrees. A quarter means a fourth of that. So notice they have it split up into 4 pieces. So if they have it split up into 4 pieces like that, 4 quarters, make up a whole. So we took 360 and we divided it by 4 equal pieces. 360 divided by 4 is 90, right? So as you can see, this is a right angle. So that's 90 degrees. Okay. So how many degrees are 3/4 turns? Well, we're going to know that that is 90, 180, 270, okay? And then 360 makes the other. So let's see what it wants us to do here. First, make 3/4 turns on the circle. So it wants us to make 3/4 turns. So I have to scroll down here. So there's 1/4 turn, okay? There's 2/4 turns right there. And here's 3/4 turns right there. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Zorn. Okay. And now we're going to use the protractor, this circular protractor, to tell us how many degrees that is. So, okay. So we're looking at then how many degrees. We're looking at this outside one because our angle is technically this outside right now. That's why the circle, that angle circle is on the outside. We're not measuring this inside. We know that's 90 degrees. We're not counting that part. So how many degrees is it? So we know that's on 0. So we start there. And if we go, where is that line on? What number? If we look, we can see that 270 degrees. And does that make sense? If there's 90, if it's 3/4 turns and each quarter is 90 degrees, 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. So that's why it's going to be 270 degrees. Nice. Nice. Keep it climbing. Okay, brain. I'll keep climbing because you say so. Now, this one tells us to use the protractor to measure the angle. So, again, if our angle is here, okay, we'll notice, again, where does it come out at? It starts at 0, goes to 270. And I know they want us to use the outside angle because that's where the circle is. If they wanted us to measure the inside, they would have a little circle, a little arc in here. But they don't. They want this big one on the outside. So it starts at 0, follow it around. Where does it end up? 270, because that's 3/4 of a turn. 270 degrees. Okay, excellent. Keep climbing. Okay. How many degrees does it take to make a full turn of a circle? And this is something you just need to know, right? It takes 360 degrees to make a full circle. 360 degrees. Okay, because that would be 90, 90, 90, 90. 90, 180, 270, 360. Nice. Okay. So then how many right angles, it says how many right angles make a full turn of a circle? Well, we just said it takes 4 right angles to make a full circle, a full turn, because we'd have 90, 180, 270, 360. A quarter, a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. So those 4 right angles make a full turn. Nice. And 1 right angle is how many degrees? Well, we need to know that 1 right angle is always going to be 90 degrees. All right. That perfect straight up and down, those perpendicular lines that form a right angle, that right angle is always exactly 90 degrees. That's it. Awesome. We did it. Okay. Now, the only thing is your number might be a little tricky. It might be different than my numbers when you do it, when you have to use the protractor, but you're just getting used to using that circular protractor and measuring angles. But remember that a full circle is 360 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. If you can get that, you're on the right track. Okay, good luck.